What's going on, everybody? It's Rick from Gardening with Barchuckin. Okay, so here's the bin that I was feeding the worm chow only to. I want to do a quick look and see. I don't see anything on top. And I'm not seeing any slugs there. So this is the bin that had the slugs in it. So it's actually been 2 weeks since the last feeding, and it was right here. So we'll see if anything's food-wise is still in this area. Lots of nice castings. Oh, this is the piece of pineapple. So just a little bit right there. Oh, another little piece. Another piece with some worms. With it being 2 weeks, there really isn't too much of anything left, which is good. I'm going to get this out of the way and give it a good, get everything incorporated. Okay, pretty cool. They are doing a good job. Anything that's underneath is definitely getting eaten up. I have my last bit of carrot tops. And there's a couple small pieces of carrot ends and stuff. Then I have a piece of banana and then a few pieces of lettuce. Okay, so that's going right there in the center. Jeez. I'll go with a little grit. Cover this up. So right in the center is where we fed. I'll give them a little bit of this worm chow mix. Haha! That's why I hate moving it out of my way. I forgot to put this stuff back in the middle. So I'll just dig down a little bit. Pop that in the middle. Give them a little bit of the worm chow mix. Bang a fresh coffee filter on there. And then give me 1 second. So a person suggested putting a piece of lettuce on top to see if that attracts any slugs. So I'm going to try that out this time. What I'll do is I'll leave it so I can see just a little edge of it, and then I'll check on this and see how it's going. If I go ahead and spot anything, I'll definitely grab the camera out so I can record it and show you guys. Thanks for coming along, checking this out. Everybody have a great day.